Good day, seniors. So today we will be tackling a application of the concept of the parabola. By the way, this question is from the internet, so just in case you see it there. Um, we begin. This is a suspension bridge. The parabolic cables of a 200 feet portion of the roadbed of a suspension bridge are positioned as shown below. See? Vertical cables are to be spaced every 20 feet along this portion of the roadbed. Now we calculate the lengths of these vertical cables. So, looking at the graph, right? Looking at the figure right there. The cable. What does it look like? It looks like a parabola, right? Well, we're going to use that and we're going to turn it into its parabola form, given its dimensions, right? So there we go. There's the parabola. And then right in the middle, we would, well, of course, the roadbed. And then right in the middle, we would have a cable there. And then, of course, at the ends, we would have two cables on the right and to the left. We're going to input the values of that. We would have 10 feet in the middle. And then, of course, at the side, we would have 50 for each, left and right. And then, again, our 200 feet. So we're exactly looking for how many cables? Well, looking back at the figure, we're looking at 5 cables to the side. Though our last cable is given, so technically we're just looking for 4 values of the cables. There we go. And so also, we're gonna only focus on one side. So, yung kalahati ng roadbed, magiging 100 lang yan. There we go. 100. And then since 100 yan, tas every space ng cables magiging 20. So, magiging 20, 40, 60, and 80. Now that we have our dimensions, right? Paano natin yan isa-solve, no? So the easiest way, the key to doing it is having your origin. So the easiest origin that we'd have is kung nasa pinakagitna. No? So nasa pinakagitna. There we go. So kung origin natin yan, di ba? 0, 0. E di, ibig sabihin, may vertex na tayo. So, ano vertex natin? That would be 0, 10. Right? 0, 10. So, kung may vertex na tayo, ilapag natin yung vertex na yan sa standard form ng parabola. So here we go. That's x minus h squared is equal to 4a y minus k. Right? So, apply natin, magiging x squared na lang yan. Well, yes, there we go. 4a plus y minus 10. Okay. Again, x squared is equal to 4a, the quantity of y minus 10. Ayan. Paano ba yan? Wala na nga tayong x at y, tapos wala pa tayong a. Well, that's exactly what we're going to be looking for. Dito sa kanan, ayan, sa pinakataas. Actually, meron na tayong point sa parabola, which is 150, di ba? So since may x and y tayo, pwede pala natin yan nilagay sa equation na nakakahanap lang natin. So, lagyan natin sa baba. That would be 100 squared. Okay. That would be 100 squared is equal to 4a times the quantity of 50 minus 10, right? So, simplify natin dito sa kabila. Yan, magiging 4a is equal to 10,000. Okay, 10,000 over 40, which is 4a is equal to 250. Yay! So may 4a na tayo. Ibig sabihin, may equation na tayo ng parabola. Sige. So, wala tayo sa next page. Ayan. So, balikan lang natin ano yung equation ng parabola. Okay. So, that would be x squared is equal to 250 plus y minus 10, right? Okay, there we go. So, kung mabalikan natin sa figure, di ba, ilan niya yung hinahanap natin? 4? Oo. There we go, 4 na values. Hanapin muna natin yung coordinates ni first height, which yung pinakauna to the right of the vertex. So, that would be 20y. Y kasi, well, yun nga, height, y, the same. Height, yung y kasi nga, yun yung hinahanap. Yun yung, yeah. Okay, let's go back to the equation. There we go. So that would be, we plug in, right? Yes, we plug in. So that would be 20 squared is equal to 250 times the quantity of y minus 10. There we go. So, lagay natin si h sa kabilang side, no? Pero, yun nga, divide mo na sa 250. Go. So that would be, so h, or our height, would be equal to 20 squared over 250 plus 10. Kasi nga, nilipat natin sa one side of the equation. So that would mean, kung bust out your handy dandy calculator, so yun, kung ilalagay mo, magiging 40 divided by 2. Ay, sorry. 4,000 divided by 250 plus 10. That would be 11.6 feet. There we go. May nagawa na tayong isang height. So, isa lang yun. May tatlo pa. So, doon tayo sa pangalawa. Same thing. Una muna, kunin yung coordinates. So, yan. Balik tayo dito. Anong coordinates ng pangalawang height? That is, ayun. So, that is 40 naman. Magiging 40 kasi pangalawa na siyang cable na sa kanan. That would be 40y. Yes. Okay. And balik na tayo. Using the coordinates, we plug that in. That would be 40 squared is equal to 250 times the quantity of y minus 10, right? So same thing, we divide the equation by 250. Cancel, and then there we go. Same thing, we try to put the y on the other side of the equation first. There we go. And then plus 10. Yum. So, again, use your handy dandy calculator. Since nagawa ko na siya. That is 16.4 feet. Oh my god! May pangalawang height na tayo. Okay, next. Okay lang yan guys. Slow but steady. Kasi pag minamadali, maguguluhan lang kayo. Okay, so sa pangatlong height, ano ulit gagawin? Kukunin yung coordinates. Erase tayo. Ayan. Ano ulit? So, kung may 20 na tayo, may 40. E di syempre, 60 na tayo. Yan. 60 H2. H3 pala guys, sorry. Ayan. So, 60Y. Okay. So, lagay na natin. Plug in ulit. Magiging 60 squared is equal to 250 times the quantity of y minus 10. Ayan. So, again, same thing as we did. Shortcut na lang kasi parehas lang naman ginawa natin. Ayun. So, again, calculator. Type ka dyan. Tapos, so magiging value natin is 24.4 feet. Whew! We're getting there! Last na! Okay. Balik tayo. So, ano yung natitira? Yung 80. So, last na yun. At least hindi tayo mabilis. Pero at least naiintindihan natin ng maayos. Okay. 80, height, 4. The fourth height. Okay, sorry. So again, we use that coordinates para mahanap yung fourth cable sa kanan ng vertex. That would be 80y or 80 and the fourth height. Yes. Okay, let's put that in. 80 squared is equal to 250. And then, yes, y minus 10. And then same thing, put it in one side, tas yan, plus 10. So ayan, what is the last one? It's 35.6 feet. Oh my god! Nakuha na natin! That's pretty much it. So, onting recap, no, kung para masaya. So, ang ginawa natin, binalikan natin, inanalyze natin yung question. Tingnan natin yung cables. Parang mukha siyang parabola. And that's what we did. We used it into a parabola. So, syempre, naglagay tayo ng origin, tas naghanap-hanap tayo ng mga coordinates. Ayun, yung 150 sa kanan, tas yung vertex, all that. And then, of course, we had to find the equation of the parabola. Yep, the equation of the parabola. And then, after that, it's all just easy peasy. Nilagay mo yung coordinates ayun, yung kada space, di ba? Kada space niya sa kanan or sa kaliwa is 20. So, pataas siya ng pataas. 20, 40, 60, 80. So, yun lang naman. Simple as that. There we go. That's it. So, ang answers natin lahat, final answers are 1.16 feet and then 16.4 feet. Yan, lagay natin dyan. And then yung pangatlo is 24.4 feet. Yes. And then the last one is 35.6 feet. There we have it. Kung gusto nyo para i-check nyo, ilagay nyo yung mali ilagay yung 100. Pero 50 lang naman din yung makakuha nyo dun. Anyway, that's it. You're done. You calculate the lengths of the vertical cables. Thank you, everyone. Good day.